Other compliance requirements. All corporations, partnership, or individuals man yan ay required magbayad ng internal revenue taxes to keep and use relevant and appropriate books of accounts authorized by the Secretary of Finance, wherein lahat ng transactions and operations are shown and from which all taxes due the government may readily and accurately be ascertained and determined any time of the year. The books must be kept in native language, English or Spanish. If ibang language yung ginamit na, there must be an accurate translation of all the entries using the said native language. Prior to the effectivity of Republic Act 10963, under train law, yung mga taxpayers na hindi lumagpas sa 50,000 pesos yung quarterly earnings ay pwede gumamit ng simplified set of bookkeeping records. Pero if lumagpas ng 50,000 pesos, a journal and a ledger or their equivalent should be kept. However, beginning January 1, 2018 or upon the effectivity of the train law, ang paggamit ng simplified set of accounting records ay hindi na pwede. Also, taxpayers with gross annual sales, earnings, receipts, or output exceed 3 million pesos shall have their books of accounts audited and examined yearly by independent certified public accountants. If prior to 2018 naman gross quarterly sales, earnings, receipts, or output exceed 150,000 pesos, shall have the books of accounts audited and examined. Issuance of receipts and invoices. It increases from 25 pesos to 100 pesos the amount of sale, transfer of merchandise, or sale of service which is required to be issued a duly registered receipt or sale or commercial invoice. It makes it mandatory for taxpayers engaged in export of goods and services, e-commerce, and large taxpayers to issue electronic receipts or sales or commercial invoices in lieu of manual receipts or sales or commercial invoices within 5 years from the effectivity of the law and upon establishment by the BIR of a system capable of successfully storing and processing the data collected from the receipts and or invoices of taxpayers required to issue electronic receipts. Taxpayers not mandated by this provision may opt to issue electronic receipts and invoices. It also requires taxpayers to keep and preserve the digital records of electronic invoices and receipts for 3 years in the taxpayer's place of business.